Hi, Dan. How are you today?
Hey Mary, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well, just grabbing my usual coffee.
Same here. It's my morning ritual.
Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to the channel. If you want to speak English fluently and confidently, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to help you improve your English speaking skills with real-life conversation practice. Whether you're a beginner or at an intermediate level, you're going to love this. We'll cover real conversations, common expressions, listening practice, pronunciation tips, and give you speaking opportunities throughout. Make sure you pause, repeat, and shadow after me. Let's practice speaking together and become fluent English speakers. Ready? Let's go. Let's begin with a simple real-life situation. Greeting someone and making small talk. Listen carefully and repeat after each line. Dialogue 1. At a coffee shop.
Hi, Dan. How are you today?
Hey Mary, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well, just grabbing my usual coffee.
Same here. It's my morning ritual.
These simple greetings are great to start conversations. Practice them daily. Try saying them out loud now. Next, let's practice a useful everyday situation, asking for directions. Dialogue 2. On the street.
Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the nearest bus stop.
Sure, it's just around the corner next to the pharmacy.
Great, thank you so much.
No problem. Have a great day.
Phrases like "excuse me" and "can you help me" are polite and important. Practice using them in your own sentences. Now, let's practice dialogue 3, making plans with a friend.
Hey Vivian, are you free this weekend?
Yeah, Lizzie, I think so. What's up?
Want to go see a movie or grab lunch?
Sounds fun. Let's do lunch on Saturday.
Notice the casual tone. This is how native speakers talk when making plans. Practice both parts now. Next, let's practice dialogue 4. Shopping and asking for help.
Hi, can you help me find the right size?
Of course. What size are you looking for?
I usually wear medium.
Let me check if we have that in stock.
Shopping vocabulary is essential. Practice using polite requests like, "Can you help me?" Now let's look at dialogue 5. Job interview practice.
Tell me a little about yourself.
Sure. I recently graduated with a degree in marketing and I'm passionate about digital content.
Why do you want to work here?
I admire your company's work and believe I can contribute with my creative skills.
Practice interview answers out loud. This builds confidence and helps you sound natural. You're doing great. Now, here are some powerful tips to speak English fluently on your own. 1. Shadow native speakers. Repeat what they say in real time. 2. Record your voice and listen to improve pronunciation. 3. Speak out loud daily. Even 10 minutes a day helps. 4. Use English in your daily routine. Think in English. 5. Don't be afraid of mistakes. They are part of learning. I want you to know that many English learners struggle to find opportunities to practice their speaking skills, which can lead to feelings of frustration and stagnation. Lack of practice can make it difficult to improve pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar. Fear of making mistakes can also hold learners back from speaking, causing them to miss out on valuable practice opportunities. Some learners may feel self-conscious about their accent or grammar, which can prevent them from speaking English with native speakers or other learners. This fear of making mistakes can be overwhelming, and it's something that many English learners can relate to. So, do not be discouraged. Even with the best textbooks and study materials, speaking skills often lag behind reading and writing abilities, leaving learners feeling unbalanced in their language skills. Finding language exchange partners or tutors can be a challenge, especially for those living in areas with limited English-speaking populations. Without regular practice, speaking skills can plateau, making it difficult to make progress and achieve fluency. English learners may feel like they're not making progress, despite their best efforts to study and practice. Practicing conversation is key to improving speaking skills, and there are many ways to do it, such as finding language partners, using language exchange apps, or engaging in daily speaking exercises. You can start by speaking with a language partner for just a few minutes each day, or by using an app to practice your pronunciation and grammar. Consistency is important when it comes to conversation practice, so try to make it a part of your daily routine. You can also listen to English podcasts or watch English videos to get used to the sounds and rhythms of the language. One of the most effective ways to improve speaking skills is to focus on pronunciation, which can be done by listening to native speakers and repeating what they say. You can also practice speaking in front of a mirror, record yourself, or speak with a tutor or language exchange partner. Language exchange apps can connect you with native speakers or other learners, providing opportunities for conversation practice and feedback. Daily speaking exercises, such as describing a topic or summarizing an article, can help build confidence and fluency. I've seen firsthand how consistent conversation practice can lead to significant improvement in speaking skills, and I'd like to share a personal story with you. When I first started learning English, I was hesitant to speak, but I made a commitment to practice every day, even if it was just for a few minutes. I found a language partner, and we would speak for 30 minutes each day, discussing various topics and sharing our thoughts and experiences. Over time, I noticed a significant improvement in my speaking skills, and I became more confident and fluent. As I continued to practice, I started to notice improvements in my pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar, and I was able to express myself more clearly and effectively. My language partner and I would often discuss our daily routines, hobbies, and interests, which helped me build a stronger foundation in English. I also started to listen to English podcasts and watch English videos, which helped me get used to the sounds and rhythms of the language. With consistent practice, I was able to overcome my fear of making mistakes and become a more confident English speaker. Consistent conversation practice can lead to significant improvement in speaking skills, and it's essential to make it a part of your daily routine. By practicing every day, you can build confidence, improve your pronunciation, and develop a more natural flow when speaking English. Regular practice can also help you stay motivated and focused on your language learning goals. Remember, the key to improving your speaking skills is to practice consistently and make it a part of your daily routine. To recap, the key to improving your English speaking skills is to practice regularly, focus on pronunciation, and engage in conversation practice. Remember to make conversation practice a part of your daily routine, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's all part of the learning process. Awesome work today. You've just completed lesson on English conversation practice. Keep repeating these dialogues, practice with a friend, or shadow the video again tomorrow. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more English speaking practice every week. Keep watching, keep practicing, and you will speak English fluently and naturally. See you in the next video, and remember, your voice matters. Use it confidently.